Have you done a poll before? If you've ever asked a quick question to see how a group feels, you've done a poll. Polls are a powerful way to take a quick pulse, and our dedicated poll tool makes it easy. Design and publish your poll by picking your question type and preferred languages. Custom settings let your participants share or comment, and let you restrict participants or expire your poll at a given time. Pick from classic templates or personalize to match your website or other branding. You can even choose to share results with participants immediately, building buzz and engagement. Polls can be embedded or linked in the languages of your choice, with all results conveniently collected. Once your data is in, run beautiful reports to share with your team, or simply export your data. Why just ask a question when you can run a poll? Find out faster with our poll tool.